Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070643. Chapter 1. How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070643 from services. To start, enter Services in the search box. Open Windows Services. Here, double-click on the Windows Event Collector service. Then, in the Startup Type field, set the value Automatic. You must click on Start and then apply the changes. After this, double-click on the Windows Event Log service. Confirm or set the automatic option in the Startup Type field. Click on Apply and OK. Finally, double-click on the Windows Update service. Check that the startup type is set to automatic. You can apply the changes. Now you can check that no errors occur when updating the system. Chapter 2. How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070643 from terminal. To start, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes. Now you are going to run the on-screen command to set the update service to automatic. Then, set the encryption service to automatic with the on-screen command. After this, set automatic for the transfer service using the on-screen command. Finally, with the command you see, set the trusted installer service to automatic. To apply these changes, you must reboot the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in, check that there are no errors in Windows Update. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.